channel. Happy Friday. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. And again, thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. I love commenting with you guys. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You're here anyway. We would love to have you join us. As you can see from the description, we do have a new subscription to review, and I am super excited. This was very kindly sent to me for review to share with you guys, but I'm going to give you a little bit of information. This is the UPBOX, and what it is, it says captivating encouragement boxes delivered monthly. UPWORDS is passionately providing products with a purpose for women of faith. Our mission is to encourage women along their godly journey with monthly reminders that are based on an inspirational theme. You will be inspired and captivated with every delivery, filled to the brim with accessories and lifestyle goodies from fantastic USA artisans. Every box includes 8 to 10 thoughtfully curated lifestyle items and accessories from artisans locally sourced within the United States. Each encouragement box includes scriptural reminder cards, a frameable poster, and a pack of our signature mini encouragement cards. They do offer customization options and gladly accept special requests. You just have to let them know. And also, this is amazing. 20% of each purchase is directly donated to the Jesus Way Foundation, which provides orphans with food, shelter, clothing, and education. So this box gives back amazing. I mean, that's just awesome. It is $39.95 a month, and I actually have the spa box, and that's what I'm going to be unboxing for you guys. And if you use code SPABOX, you can get $10 off, so you could get your first month for $29.95. So, and let's see. It says all new orders ship immediately, and then recurring subscriptions will ship out on the 15th of every month. They do ship with UPS and provide tracking information. And they do ship worldwide, which is awesome. So let's get into it, because like I said, I'm super excited to see what we have. This is the November 2018 UPBOX. So we're going to dive in. It did come in a bigger box. I took it out. I have not opened it, so we are going to do that together and see what it is all about. I just cut the sticker. I like here it has refresh, renew, and revive. The law of the Lord is perfect, refreshing the soul. And that is from Psalm 197. Encouragement inside. All right, so let's take a look. Oh, I got squigglies coming out. All right, so this is what it looks like when we open it. I almost thought I smelled something. Okay, I'm sorry. It's Psalms 19:7. Just want to make sure I say that correctly. All right. Oh, that's so pretty. All right, so we open it. And here is the inside. We take this off. This is what we see. So it looks like it's filled with tons of goodies. So let's see. Refresh and revive. Welcome to your spa in a box. Wellness of the body and soul is essential for our physical and spiritual well-being. The theme of this box is inspired by Psalm 19:7. The law of the Lord is perfect, refreshing my soul. True refreshment and renewal come from taking the time to meditate on His Word. Self-care involves regular intervals of peaceful relaxation, and this box is full of lifestyles, accessories that will undoubtedly create an atmosphere of serenity. So, yes. and you can find them on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Facebook is at All Upwards, Twitter is at All Upwards, and Instagram is at UPBOXes. So let's get in here and see what we have. So the very first thing I am pulling out on top is this. So let's open it to see what it is. Oh, it has a cute little like lavender. This is interesting. Okay. This is from Decoded, bracelets with a Morse code message. And the message on this bracelet is blessed. That is so cute, you guys. I love that. I love that. I mean, I like that a lot. All right, so next here we have everything, y'all, the attention to detail, the little lavender. This is one of the hair ties, they do not pull on your hair. They're awesome. But just this attention to detail is just amazing. Let's see. We got another one. It says grateful. What did this one say? The lavender was hiding it. So thankful is what this one said. Love those hair ties. Can never have too many of those. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay, so here's some earrings. They're hypoallergenic and nickel free. They're sparkly. Those are pretty. I like this box. Okay, so here are some of the inspirational cards I think that they were talking about. Mini shareable card pack. Keep one, share one. Let's see what some of them say. This one. Says, the law of the Lord is perfect, refreshing the soul. Psalms 19:17. And it closes with the refresh, renew, and revive. And we actually have two of them. And we have a little envelope. So like I said, you can keep one or you could share one. So let's see what we have here. That is cute, cute packaging. Okay. This is Wild Origins face wash. But it's like a powder. So let's see what it says. Made with Quailin clay, organic oats, organic almonds, organic lavender, organic rose. Take less than a pea-sized amount on fingers, add a tiny bit of water, massage onto face, rinse off. This is 30 uses in this, you guys. So it doesn't take much. That's awesome. Let's see. Also from Wild Origins, we have a lip tint in, is there a color? There is not a color. So we'll open it and take a look. This is made with organic alkanet and or beet root, mica powder, shea butter, beeswax, and olive oil. So that's pretty. Let's see. So it's very, very light. So it's just a little bit of, I'll put some over my lipstick just to make it shine. That feels so nice, y'all, and smooth. I like that a lot. All right, let's see. We have from Wild Origins, body butter. Ooh, I love body butter. And it says made with organic coconut oil, shea butter, calendula, beeswax, essential oils of rosemary, peppermint, and lavender. So you know this is gonna smell. So relaxing, and it's, you know, it is, wow. Y'all, that is like for real awesome. Like, that is some serious hydration. And it smells really good. I love that as well. There's still stuff in here, y'all. This is amazing. Let's see. The Minted Market Handmade Goods. This says cider natural soy wax. Is this a candle? It is. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Y'all know me and my candles, y'all, and this smells so good. Oh, I love that. Oh, this box is amazing. Y'all, and there is still stuff in here. Like this is awesome. Let's see. I mean, oh goodness, y'all, it is like just, there's so much in here. Okay, let me make sure that is everything, because it, seriously, this box was packed. When they described it as filled to the brim, they were not exaggerating. So here we have, from Wild Origins, a lavender salt scrub. It's sea salt, Himalayan pink salt, organic lavender, olive oil, and lavender essential oil. Apply to body, especially dry areas, and gently massage, rinse away, and pat dry. So there is that. Yo, it is, look, it is so cute. I say cute, it's pretty. It's a body scrub, but it is so pretty, and it smells so awesome and just relaxing. There is this little wooden scoop, so I'm assuming maybe that is for this. So you can scoop out what you need and exfoliate, and that is awesome. So let's see, what is this? This says Lulu Sugar. What is, oh, okay. So this is matches, I'm assuming, to go with the candle. So let's see, and then there's one more. This says Whipped. Crafted by moms, inspired by nature, lavender vanilla. Organic coconut oil, organic shea butter, beeswax, jojoba oil with vanilla. What are you? I'm assuming, oh, it smells good. Thinking this is either some kind of a hand, it smells so good. This is what it looks like when we take the lid off. So I'm not sure if this is like a lip balm, or if this is just, because I just rubbed it into my skin and it actually feels really amazing. And it gives you that calming scent and comfort feeling. So this again, could either be a lip balm or I can use it on my skin. So this box is amazing, you guys. We got the cards, the earrings, the 2 hair ties, the bracelet, the lip tint, the face wash, the candle, the body butter, the body scrub, and then this, like I said, I'm not sure if it's a lip balm or if it is, you know, just something. I'm leaning more towards lip balm just because of the size, but it could be, because like I said, it went right into my skin, so, and my skin is so soft right here. So I'm not exactly sure which product this is, but either way, we ended up with 9 products, you guys. And they are all absolutely amazing, and definitely, you know, do feel, just opening the box, I feel uplifted a little bit. You know what I mean? Like, it's just, it's amazing. So I'm looking forward to taking a bath and maybe lighting the candle and washing my face and a body scrub. And then when I get out, I've got the body butter, can pull my hair up with the ties, some gorgeous earrings, and then the bracelet. This bracelet to me is so neat that it's actually Morse code. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, some is silver and then some is like a gold. And it just, that is so cute. So I definitely love this box. I will make sure to put all information down below for you guys if you would like to sign up. I definitely, like I said, recommend it. This box seems to be absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, just let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a fabulous Friday, and I will talk with you soon. Bye.